Hey there, welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple way to order blinds, window blinds for your home. So recently I ordered one window blind for our bedroom, and it was the first time I ever did this, and it was so simple. And took 2 days for delivery, and when the blinds were here, I opened up the box. It was just a very good high quality blind and instructions, and it had the hardware I needed. All I needed was some tools, which wasn't much. All I needed was a screwdriver, a drill, possibly a hammer. Depends on if you're mounting your blind to the wall or the inside of your window frame, and a tape measure. So it was very simple, and it's the quickest and easiest I've ever installed blinds in any home I've been in. So I'm going to walk you through how simple it is to order a blind here on Amazon. I'm going to show you the exact blind I ordered and installed at our house, and we're really happy with it. So I know it could be a little intimidating because you have to do measuring in that, but I'm going to show you how simple it is. So this is the blind here that we ordered. It was the cordless roller shades. They're blackout blinds. And we ordered a 43-inch width by 72-inch height. And we ordered it in white. But you see here, it comes in different colors. Let's go by the colors first. So you can get it in black, and there's gray here. I think this is the ivory and the white. Anyways, that's your colors. And so when you come on to this page here, and I'm going to put links below this video in the description and in the comments. I'll pin it at the top of the comments where you can click on this link and come straight to this vendor here on Amazon and order your blind. Actually, it's not $57.99 because different sizes cost more, which makes sense, right? So you're going to come down here, and this is where you're going to pick your size. And you're going to see a big drop down here. Let me scroll down here. Big drop down for all different kinds of sizes. So, like I said, ours was 43 inches. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take a tape measure, and I don't have a tape measure with me, but you're going to take that tape measure, and depending on where you want to hang your blind, do you want to hang it on the inside of the window frame, which I think looks the best anyway, or you can order it to fit on the outside of your blind. So on the inside of your blind, all you need to do is measure from side to side. And ours was exactly 43 inches. So your blind will come with just a little shy of 43 inches. So that will be perfect. So, and then the length was 72 inches. So when you're measuring your windows, you want to come down here to the bottom, and you can check, actually, you should check out all this, read what's all about these items, what they're made of, different lengths, how to choose the right size. So right here it says to make sure to cover the entire window. Outside mount shades need to be 4 inches wider than the window's wide. If your window's width is 30 inches, your order size would be 34. So that allows for 2 inches on each side. And like right here, it says, don't worry about the window blind's height. It can adjust from 0 to 72 inches. Our window was actually 44 inches in width and 43 inches in length. So the blind totally rolled out will be 72. So it's definitely going to cover because we're never going to pull it all the way out. So we'll scroll down here, a little further down here, and they talk about the product description to tell you more about your blinds. And they teach you about the mount measurements here. So they're talking about the inside mount size here. So your window depth needs to be more than 2 inches. So that means the depth inside towards the window, the outside of the frame towards the window needs to be more than 2 inches. I haven't seen any windows less than that, but I imagine there must be because they wouldn't put that in here. Otherwise, if it's less than 2 inches, because you don't want your blinds sitting outside your frame, so then if it does, you might as well just mount it on the outside of your frame. And then they talk about the outside mount size, which we already covered. And they give you a picture here. So inside mount, So inside mount. So you measure the width from side to side and the height. But you know what? Like I said, your blinds are going to go from 0 to 72 inches anyway, and they have that pretty much as a standard size. And then your outside mount, again, shade width, just add 4 inches or more to the outside of your window, but 4 inches will be plenty. So again, our window size was 44 inches wide by 43 inches in depth. So I just went down here because it's an inside measurement and I ordered the 44 inches right there. Where is it now? 44 inches. And so then when you add that to your cart, I'm going to go to my cart and add it. And I have too many in here, so don't look at this number here. I'm going to subtract one of those right now. Go to cart, and I'll just delete one of these. There we go. So there, our item is actually $58.99. So we're going to, if we proceed to the cart, it'll add the applicable taxes. And that's basically it. You just come in, pick your size that you want, and you go ahead and make your order. Now we'll go back and we will look at for measuring on the outside. So let's say our window is 44 inches in width and they say to add 4 inches. So we'd come down here, 44 inches plus 4 is 48. Standard 72 inches in height. I call it length. Again, you go to add to cart. It's going to be $62.99 because it's a little wider. Now, if we go to scroll down here. So let's say if we go to a wider window, let's say we have a window that is 74 inches wide and it'll be $106.99. More material, more costs. Basically how it goes. And these blinds do come with a handle. You can see the handle right here. It will actually slide over the part here. Well, I couldn't hold my cursor there, but it'll actually slide over there. Easy installation. And there's like 2 brackets that come with this. That's it. All you need to do is drill 2 holes per bracket, put your screws in, and the blind frame actually just clicks in there and then snaps up. I'll show you my blind right now. So there's the blind in our window right now, and it looks good. And I'll just show you how. See, you just pull on that handle, and there it is again. It blocks a lot of light, and it looks good. So there you go. That's how simple it is to order window blinds on Amazon. Also, I did a video installing the window blinds, and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video where you can go watch that video and you can see how easy it is to install these window blinds from Amazon. I really hope that this video helps you. If it did, leave me a comment below, leave me a thumbs up, and tell me your experience with ordering blinds on Amazon, or if you're going to order some blinds on Amazon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.